Hi, this is Gary Buck, Waterline Boats, Boat Shed Tacoma. Today we're taking a look at a 2000 Catalina. It's a 40, the actual model is a 400 Mark II. So it's a 40-foot boat, twin cabin. This particular model has twin wheels here in the cockpit. Of course, it has all of the instrumentation you need at those dual cockpits. Boat is in really nice condition. It's been well cared for. Has Schaefer furling. Lines are led aft to the cockpit through rope clutches. The owner reports that the sails are in good condition. Canvas is in very nice condition. The Dodger has isinglass all the way around it, very open. Huge cockpit, lots of seating. And I'm going to open this boat up and go down below and show you what a beautiful boat it is from the inside.